In the last presentation, we looked at prioritizing and selecting draft strategic approaches. In this step, your team will highlight the components of one of your selected strategic approaches in preparation to convert these into a draft results chain. You can follow along in How-To Guide 2 on page 17. This step is somewhat similar to Step 2, where prioritized threats and related situation model components were selected and separated for more focused work. To demonstrate this step in the Grand River project example, we'll use the Promote Sustainable Freshwater Fishing Practices strategic approach, and then isolate from the rest of the situation model the relevant downstream components, which we've highlighted in blue dashed lines here. In theory, the same process we will follow for this strategic approach would be repeated with a regulatory reform strategic approach, also prioritized in Step 5, and any other strategic approach that the design team selects for inclusion in its program. Notice that the chain being isolated still consists of situation model components. In other words, the chain here still represents the current situation that the program wished to change. It is still a problem chain that has been tagged with a strategic approach yellow hexagon, which represents all of the components downstream that it intends to affect. This prepares you for one of the most crucial steps of the design process. Now that we've seen how to separate, by strategic approach, the prioritized components of the situation model, in the next presentation, we'll look at how to convert those components into desired results.